Hey, it's Danish from Local Niche Marketing. In this video, we are going to build a social media marketing management super agent that is going to manage all of our social media accounts from this agent. Previously, we have already built a super agent that qualifies leads in real time by sending back and forth emails to the lead. We can also add text message as a channel of making this agent work. I will attach that particular video's link in this video as well. So let's just get started. We have to create managed agents. Click on that, and for this I have already created a prompt. You can also do that by visiting Claude or ChatGPT or even Gemini to just write that you're building a social media marketing super agent inside GHL or GoHighLevel and need a prompt. You just have to tell what this particular agent can do. If you are planning to post content on weekly basis, you can also write that up inside the prompt. Once you do that, it is going to give you a prompt. You have to copy that prompt inside here and let it build your agent from scratch. And obviously it is going to ask about a knowledge base, and if you have already not created a knowledge base, I will also show you after the agent is being built and tested. So it is currently building the agent with this prompt that you have already given. It is instructing the role, do not, primary goal, business name, understand the business before writing, execution flow. It actually enhanced the prompt at the build up stage. Once that is created, once that is loaded, then we will publish it and then we are going to test this bot. So it is already created, and in less than 5 seconds, it actually created a super agent. That is how powerful these super agents are. With that being said, for this super agent, we need to toggle on the image generation as it is going to create posts for our brand. And once you do that, I will explain certain other settings that you can do. Here is a custom skill. If you need to upload a sheet, you can also upload it here. You can also add skills by clicking on this add skill button. There are triggers. You can obviously, this is a social media manager. It is going to be working recurringly, so we will schedule it after we have tested it. Okay, so let's just publish it and then test the agent. So we will say create two posts, one for Facebook and one for Instagram. Okay, let's see how that goes. Of course, the Instagram channel is not connected to the sub account yet, so maybe it is going to say that. It directly jumped into the knowledge base, discovering social media posts, discovering list connected and social accounts. Yeah, that is for sure. So in our case, our Facebook and YouTube channels are connected. I need two posts, for one for Facebook and one for Insta. So let's see how are the posts look like. I need to see posts for the Insta and Facebook. It is again asking me whether these are not connected, so you need to connect those accounts. And I'm just saying that create me those posts. Okay. So look at this. Most businesses are marketing to everyone. So it looks Great. Save or draft. Need your Instagram account connected before I can save it here. There. You don't need to save it. Just share the draft here. I want the agent to give me the post here so I can see what kind of post that it is going to create, and then from there onwards I can decide whether we can use that or not. Okay. No. Nope. So it is asking me whether you need any changes and the copy, tone, or structure. Show the images here. So it has not generated the images yet. So these agents or this particular feature is still in beta. So you can see many times the agent is giving you false outputs, and that's why you need to test your agents before you can make them live. And also so these agents, once you create from scratch, you need to optimize them to get the best output from them. So you just need to play around with these agents until you are satisfied with their performance. So this is the post that it created, and it looks a great post. Obviously you can give your logo, and it can replace the logo from here. And this is a post that it created for Instagram. I really like that. So you can see, um, you know, if the local businesses or any business who is not utilizing these features, then definitely they are going to suffer in the longer run. But as the technology is advancing, so you should take the advantage of using those to your discretion, so that in the coming days you are able to win more business through social media presence. With that being said, my final thoughts are you can definitely use it for your own business, because I don't see uh, any deficiency in these posts so far. You can see everything is perfectly created. And if you want to change triggers, for example, for the social media manager, so as this is a manager who is going to work at least maybe 3 to 5 days in a week, so we can add a trigger to schedule and then set an interval to repeat every 3 days, so it can work after 3 days at 10 a.m. and it never stops running. With that, you are going to manage, start posting the content on your social media channels. So at the last part of this video, I want to show you where the knowledge base is and how you can create it. So when you come in the AI agents, under the AI agents, you are going to see a knowledge base, and in here you can create a knowledge base. That is, create a knowledge base, give a name, and then you have to add your website, maybe if you have any, you know, Google document links available, you can also give those. You can also give a rich text, add rich text, and you can add all the knowledge base of your business here. That was it from this short tutorial of the super agents. I hope you guys like this video, and also if you have any questions you can comment down on this video. And if you need help with any kind of service related to go high level, or any type of CRM, or any type of super agent that you're building, you can contact us. Everything is going to be mentioned in the description of the video. Until the next video, take care. Bye.